morning, afternoon, evening, as the case may be in your part of the world. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Zen Archer. It's currently Wednesday, December 22nd, 2010. It's about almost 3:30 in the morning. It's gotten quiet outside. It's gotten quiet inside. I'm sitting here with Boo Kitty on the windowsill where he likes to sit. I can hear him purring. I can hear the clock ticking. It kind of reminds me of going to see a play in college. I was really busy and we laughed, got caught up in the story, felt bad, laughed some more, and everything worked out. With crowds of people around you. Then the house lights come on. People go walking out to their car. First there's a rush to the car, then there's the stragglers. But not you. You just sit there until almost everybody's gone. Maybe there's a couple people picking stuff up on stage, cleaning up. And you relive the entire play in your head. Quietly. The music and the voices ringing in your head. That's the place I'm at today. I can hardly keep my eyes open. And I'll be going to bed soon. Finishing up the last swallow of coffee. Thinking about the day's events, new friends I've met, some that I've reconnected with, the conversations that we've had, discussions and arguments that we've had, the campiness and the jokes. It was a busy day. But it was a good day. And it feels comfortable to sit here in the quiet and think about it. Like sliding down into a feather bed with and covering up with a quilt that your grandmother made. Feels good, like a big hug. You have to do it. You have to let your mind calm down, gear down. I can hardly keep my eyes open, and yet I know I would lay there and not sleep. That's where I'm at now. So I'll finish this vlog. I'll probably upload it. Say goodnight to Boo Kitty. My head will hit the pillow. If you're not somebody who meditates, or maybe even if you are somebody who meditates, at least once a day, find yourself a quiet place. And just let whatever comes to you come. Don't overthink it. Don't get too involved in it. Just notice the things that you think about. And the quiet. The comfort from your pet if you have one. Listen to the ticking of the clock. Just let the whole day's events just wash over you. I guarantee you, you'll be happy that you did. Until next time, as always, this is Zen and Pooh Kitty saying you be well.